Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's write the alphabet letter F and draw a cute frog with big eyes and a smile.
You're amazing. I'm so proud of you.
Now I know my ABCs.
Great job.
Won't you sing with me?
You're doing your best, and that's super.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Your creativity is awesome.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Keep trying. You're almost done. You're a superstar.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
I'm so proud of
H, I,
you.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing?
Great job.
A, B, C, D.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.